Hey there, are you ready to elevate your look? Transform your beauty routine with these quick and easy hacks. You won't believe how easy it is to elevate your look. Let's get started. Instead of rubbing skincare products onto your face, pat them in with your fingertips to boost absorption and stimulate circulation. Incorporate a gua sha tool into your skincare routine for a relaxing facial massage that promotes circulation. Freeze rose water in an ice tray and use the cubes to calm and tone your skin, especially after a long day. You can also use it over your face before applying makeup to tighten pores and create a smooth base for your foundation. Use a matte bronzer a shade or two darker than your skin tone to contour your face for a sun-kissed and sculpted appearance. Apply a clear lip balm to your cheekbones for a natural, dewy highlight. Store your sheet masks in the refrigerator for a refreshing and cooling experience when you use them. Steam your face before applying a mask to open up pores and enhance the effectiveness of your skincare products. Use blotting papers to absorb excess oil throughout the day without disturbing your makeup. Use a gentle cleanser first to remove makeup, followed by a second cleanser to thoroughly clean your skin. Use a body brush in circular motions before showering to exfoliate and promote healthy skin circulation. Keep aloe vera gel in the fridge and apply it to sunburned areas for soothing relief and faster healing. Mix coffee grounds with coconut oil for a natural and effective body scrub that exfoliates and moisturizes. Apply a shimmery eyeshadow to your collarbones for an instant radiant and defined look, especially during the summer. Extend your sunscreen application to your neck and ears to protect these often neglected areas from sun damage. Spray your pillow with a lavender and water mixture to promote relaxation and enhance your sleep quality. Wrap small sections of your hair around a soft elastic hairband before bed for effortless, heat-free curls in the morning. Switch to silk or satin pillowcases to minimize friction and reduce hair breakage while sleeping. Use a clean toothbrush to tease and add volume to specific areas of your hair, achieving a natural and controlled lift. Flip your hair upside down while blow-drying to add natural volume and lift. Use a wide tooth comb in the shower to detangle wet hair gently, minimizing breakage. Apply shea butter to your heels before bed, then wear socks overnight for an intensive treatment that tackles dry, cracked heels. Take a few minutes to massage your hands with a moisturizing lotion to relax and improve circulation. Use a dry brush before showering to exfoliate your legs. Pay extra attention to moisturizing your knees and elbows to prevent dryness and rough skin. Place a cold spoon on your under-eye area to reduce puffiness and reduce dark circle. Warm your eyelash curler with a hairdryer for a few seconds before curling your lashes for a longer-lasting curl. Wet an angled brush and use your eyeshadow as eyeliner for a softer, more diffused look. Use a clear lip balm on your eyebrows to keep them in place for a natural and groomed look. Keep a gel eye mask in the fridge and use it in the morning to quickly depuff your eyes. Dust a bit of translucent powder on your lashes between coats of mascara to add volume and thickness. Brighten your eyes by applying a small amount of highlighter to the inner corners. Use a clean mascara wand or eyelash comb to separate lashes and remove clumps for a more polished finish. Apply a touch of highlighter on your cupid's bow to make your lips appear fuller and make your pout more prominent. Apply a darker lip color to the center of your lips and blend outward for an easy ombre lip effect. Mix different lipsticks to create your custom lip color that suits your mood or outfit. Gently exfoliate your lips by applying lip balm and using a soft toothbrush to brush away dead skin. Rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for a minute to help remove surface stains and brighten your smile. Dip freshly painted nails in ice-cold water for a few minutes to speed up the drying process and prevent smudges. Dab a small amount of lip balm on your cuticles to keep them moisturized throughout the day. Apply a clear base coat before colored polish to enhance the vibrancy of your nail color and prevent staining. If you made it till here, we have some bonus tips for you. To revive your dried mascara, add a few drops of saline solution or lens solution to your dried out mascara to extend its life and restore its consistency. Use apps that remind you to drink water regularly for overall skin hydration. Use a soft hairband to keep your hair away from your face while applying skincare products to prevent them from getting into your hair. Keep a humidifier in your room to add moisture to the air, preventing your skin from drying out. And that's it. I hope you find these tips useful. See you guys around next time.